In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Docs to PDF. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're preparing a document for professional use or simply want to share it in a universally accessible format. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once you've got the browser up and running, head to the search bar and type in Google Docs. Hit Enter, and you'll see a list of results. Go ahead and click on the official Google Docs link to access the site. If you're not already logged into your Google account, this would be the next step. Enter your credentials to gain access to your Google Docs workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the document that you wish to convert. Open it up, and let's move on to manipulating your file. With your document open, take a look at the top menu. You'll see several options, and you want to focus on the one labeled File. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, scroll to find the Download option. By hovering over it, another menu appears with different formats available for download. Select PDF Document, TDF. As soon as you make this selection, your document will automatically start downloading to your computer in PDF format. You'll find it in your designated Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. Now, there's an alternative method that you might find useful, especially if you prefer using the Print option. Once again, click on File in the top menu, but this time select Print from the drop-down menu. This will open a Print Preview and a Print Settings menu on the side. You'll notice a section labeled Destination. Next to it, there is a Change button. Click on this button to open a list of destinations and select Save as PDF. After selecting Save as PDF, your screen will revert to the Print Preview, but now you're ready to finish the process. Look down towards the Save button and click it to complete the process. Your document will now be saved as a PDF in your chosen location on your computer. And there you have it. Whether you're choosing the direct download or employing the print method, you now know how to effortlessly convert your Google Docs documents into PDFs. This simple yet effective process ensures your information is presented in a neat, static format that can be crucial for sharing professional or personal documents. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this tutorial useful.